Here is an explanation for the answer to final exam question number 33 in Physics Demystified, second edition. If you have the printed book, please refer to page 520. We're talking about the extent in terms of displacement to which we can deform a perfectly elastic, ideal solid sample either by stretching or compression. Well, let's suppose that we have a couple of ideal, elastic, solid samples, perfect rubber made in heaven. What we do here, with the rubber band, of course, is to stretch it. What we're going to do with the rubber ball is to compress it. So we stretch this one, we squish that one with a certain force that can vary. This question is asking us, how does the extent to which we can deform such a thing vary in proportion to the external force that we apply? Well, the answer is A. It varies in direct proportion to the external force that we apply, according to a principle called Hooke's law. Hooke's law. So if we double the force that we apply to stretch a rubber band, theoretically we'll get twice as much stretch as we would originally. If we compress a ball, then the extent to which we compress a perfect, ideal, elastic ball would vary in direct proportion to the force. How we measure and determine that extent is a little bit of a different issue. It's a matter of ratio of length or ratio of diameter. Obviously, we can't squish that thing down to zero. Obviously, we can't stretch that thing to infinity, even if they were ideal. So, but the basic rule is called Hooke's law, and the extent in terms of displacement, in terms of proportional displacement, to which we can deform a perfectly elastic, ideal solid sample, varies in direct proportion to the external force. Again, the answer is A.